Hello everybody, today we have super races, will be 4 monster trucks. We're gonna check who is the faster, who is the better, hill, speed and more. So let's see. Так, okay guys, quick check, how is work, everything? No? You ready? Oh my god, wind destroyed everything. Okay, for some reason Rock Crawler have technical issue and it's dead. So only 3 of us left. So on the count 1, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. My car. Why my car not going? Batmobile! Batmobile! Batmobile is the fastest one, yes! Batmobile! Then Grave Digger tank! Boom! Nice! Okay, only 2 monster truck left, it's Batmobile and Grave Digger. So the Grave Digger is first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Давай, давай, good. Good. You almost there! Yeah, stop time. 14 seconds and 43 milliseconds. It's good timing. Okay. Fast. 1, 2, 3. Yes. This is exact. Yes, yes. You almost there. Yes. Good. 9 seconds. Okay, now we're going without timing. Just who is faster? On the count 1, 3, 2, 1, go! Alan! Veronica! Okay, now we will try from the hill. So, on count 1, 3, 2, 1, go! Veronica, yeah, Alan, yeah, he's also made it! Okay, this time it will be straight off-road, from here to over there. Who is the fastest? On count 1, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go, nothing is... Yes, Veronica first! Okay, let's do the next obstacles. Okay, now we're going snake between who is the fastest. Veronica, you number 1. Count 3. I mean on count 1. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Stop. 13 seconds. Very good timing. Alan, now is your time. You ready? Oops, stop. Reset. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 14 seconds.
Yep, she wins.
Yeah. Okay, now it will be my turn. No, stop, reset. Давай. On count 3, press.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
I found them.
I think I'm the fastest one. How much?
28 seconds.
Nice.
And I was 12.
Okay, now between Grave Digger and Batmobile, who is the fastest? On count 1, 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Nice! Next obstacles. You have to, doesn't matter how, you have to cross this piece of wood. Okay, go! Who is the first? No rules. No, but you have to cross over it. No, it not count. Yes, Alan! Alan again.
What do you mean again?
Veronica, I think you need higher speed.
Yeah.
Almost, yes! Yes!
I went over it.
New obstacles. This is the road. This is the road. All the way to the end. Okay, Alan, are you ready? Alan driving Grave Digger right now. We're not this road. This one is a little bit easier. Okay, Alan, you first. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
This is so much easier.
Much better, yeah? Oops. Yes, yes, yes. Go, 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 go.
Yeah.
24 seconds. Go, go, all the way to the end. Yes, 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 to the end. This is hard. But it's hard for Digger, but it's not hard for Batmobile. Yes, 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 yes. You're almost there, 57 seconds.
Okay, here.
No, all the way to the end. Yes, yes, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. You're almost there. Yes, 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 yes. Давай, давай, давай. Stop. 123. It's good. It's good. Okay, now it's Batmobile. Batmobile. Veronica driving. Okay, count 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I feel speed, speed, yeah. Oh, wow, very fast. Wow. Jumping, jumping. It's okay. Let's help, little help. No problem, you still have a lot of time. Good, 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 good. Wow. Wow, what a Batmobile. And you know this Batmobile can go on the water too. 40 seconds. You still have a lot of time. Good. 56 seconds. 1 minute 7 seconds. No, over here. Давай, 19 seconds, 1 minute. Stop. 122. You won 1 second.
1 second.
Yes. Wow. Okay. So it was good one. We will count who is won, but this was good one. We will try to find water to test the Batmobile. But thank you for watching, guys.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah. Bye.
We about to turn it up.